Hey guys, I'm down at MILLIE'S Remodel, and it's been a busy few weeks since demolition, and I want to go ahead and give you a little tour and show you what's happened and what's changing and where we're at. Let's go ahead and go inside. Since my last video update, you can tell things have started to move forward. That hammering you hear is my electrician running the new wiring from the attic. I don't envy him on that job. It's probably over 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the attic today. You can see my plumber has been busy running the new plumbing in the shared powder room and laundry room. I still need to frame the header for that sliding door, but first, let me take you on the rest of the tour. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I'm cutting out all the rotted stuff, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of blocking there to kind of hold the diagonal pieces. It's going. I probably spent the better part of the day adding blocking under this section of flooring and other areas where the subfloor was weakened by water damage or where an air duct was added without additional support for the flooring that was cut. My plumber had already tied into the old cast iron vent stack. We decided to leave it instead of having to patch the roof where the stack exits the house. My plumber and electrician did work together to remove the insanely heavy old cast iron tub. I don't know what I'd do without these guys. My new window came, so I can't wait to put that in. That should happen tomorrow. But how many people does it take to remove a window? All of them. All of them. My siding contractors, Stephanie and I, worked together to install the new bathroom window. The old one was wooden with see-through glass, and this new window has obscure glass and is made mostly of PVC.
Side.
If you're wondering what the helicopter sounding noise is coming from outside, that's the ancient HVAC unit. It is so loud and definitely needs to be replaced. Let's take a peek outside. You can see where the old laundry room doorway has been bricked up and a transom window was installed. This will bring in some light into the shared powder room and laundry room. Out front you can see the old siding has been removed and my siding contractors are adding new fascia board and soffits. Remarkably, the original wood siding is still solid. I'm planning on cleaning off some of the flaking paint and then repainting it. Back inside, we decided to pull off one more section of drywall to run a new switch. Using a shovel proved to be the easiest and cleanest way to demo drywall on one side of the wall. Kudos to my friend Melbourne Chippy Chick for the great idea. Because the old sub panel was in the room that was becoming the powder room and the laundry room, we had to move the sub panel to meet building codes. So here I am framing up this little wall so that we could put the sub panel. The other wall had all the studs turned sideways, so we didn't have the depth that we needed. But now we do, and we have a new sub panel and new wiring. Isn't it beautiful? It's time to finally install that pocket door opening. Luckily, my electrician was around to help me lift the header into place. You can see we're adding some new lighting in the ceiling. The two ugly flush mount lights are gone and we're going to be installing some faux recessed lighting. I can't wait to show more about this cool product from Kichler. But I want to show you something kind of cool that we discovered when we pulled some of the old studs out of the wall. A lot of the studs were actually, if they were spliced in half, they had like another 1x on either side of the joint. This one, we were looking at this side, we couldn't figure out why they had spliced the two plates on, and because the board was bowed, they just cut a little bit of a slice in it and then shoved a shim in there to straighten it out. Kind of smart, huh? but I don't think that would pass inspection today. My plumber is back and working on the shower plumbing, and as soon as he's finished, we'll be able to really move along.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.